Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. It's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be comparing two exceptional applications, namely Talkatone. This is a pretty new application for the channel, but overall it is one of the market leaders and it has 10 million plus downloads in the Google Play Store. The next application which I'm going to compare alongside the Talkatone application is a pretty famous application, you know, for our channel. If you are let's say regular author of Protech Genius, you would have seen how many videos I have posted for this application. This application is known as TextPlus. This is a pretty good application and it has a pretty higher rating in our channel. So in this video I'll be comparing these two applications and I'll be pinpointing about those sign up problems and any more problems may arise, and I'll also be showing you the solutions on how to solve those problems. So guys, before moving on to the video, if you have not yet, you know if you're new to the channel and not yet subscribed to the channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to the subscribe button in order to receive regular updates regarding the technological world, not only the news but also on tips on problem solving, etc. Our channel mainly focuses on virtual uh, dealing with the virtual number steps, so I hope it will be helpful to you. And guys, if you have any suggestions and if you want any more videos, then just please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any suggestions too, just feel free to write it in the comment section. I'd be glad to check it out. So guys, now let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. Number one, if you consider and take about errors, now if I'm visiting the Google Play Store and I'm going to search for Talkatone, this application isn't going to be available for me. This application is only available for the people who are located in the US and Canada regions. Not only this application, but all of the market leaders have been forced to enforce this warning and make sure that the people outside the US and Canada, especially Asians, are unable to get access to the US or Canada eSIMs because of the scams going on and stuff. So guys, if you want to learn more about the news regarding the stuffs and the things which is going on regarding in the applications such as text now, talkatone, etc., you must go watch this video. All the problems arise in 2023 and it's all happening because of a main reason which I'm not going to share in this video. If you want to know about the reason, you must go watch this video. This video's link is going to be available in the description and the first comment. I'll pin the first comment, so it's going to be available to you. So guys, please go check it out. Before quitting this video, take a look at the comment section. It's going to obviously help you a lot. So are there just no ways to access or download this application from the Google Play Store? Well, no, I actually downloaded this application from the Google Play Store. As you can see, now I am accessing this application in the Google Play Store's page, and as you can see, this application has a 10 million plus downloads. It Out of the 10 million plus downloads, it has a 4.3 star rating, which is pretty good for any virtual number application. It provides you virtual numbers for free. I'm just going to brief about this Talkatone application. This lets you, get a free phone number and text and call, and you can make a call to anyone, anywhere with Wi-Fi or data. This is the, user interface of the application. Just take a quick look at it. The special features are, written up above this feature page. Well, this is not an entire review, so if you want to get to know about the entire review of the applications of Talkatone and TextPlus, then these videos links are also available in the description and the Google and the first comment, so please go check it out. Now if you have taken a quick look at the user interface and the features, we'll be going on to the error comparisons of TextPlus. Now if I'm searching for TextPlus over here, as you can see, this application is available in the Google Play Store for me to download. So in this comparison, in the availability comparison, the obvious winner is going to be TextPlus. Let's hats off for the TextPlus application. It's given a point. Now, if you're going to compare the user interface of the TextPlus application and the TalkTone application, this is, pretty much this is the user interface of the TextPlus application. I don't know if it's because I am using the application, TextPlus application for a bit longer than the TalkTone application. I am pretty used to do the TextPlus user interface. Well, it may not be the same condition for you guys, so it may vary. Your opinions may vary, but for me personally, I would give TextPlus a 1 over the Talkatone for the user interface. So now the TextPlus is a point. TextPlus has 2 points while Talkatone has 0 points. Now, if we take a look at the features, these are the TextPlus features. You may take a look at this yourself. Well, you can just pause the video and you can read it out entirely. If I'm just pausing the video, it's going to take a bit longer. I hope you guys have completely read these features. Well, for Talkatone features, it gives us a free phone number, free texting, Wi-Fi or cellular data calling, no roaming fees anywhere, millions of uses. In the features section, I would like to segregate it into two sections. One is the social media section with which I'll be able to create social media accounts, and another is going to be for cold calling and for local usage. In the social media section of creating virtual numbers, virtual social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram using virtual numbers, obviously the winner is going to be TextPlus. The reason, if it's because you have checked out my previous videos, you'll get to know about the reason. If you're not checked out my previous videos, just go take a look at this video. This video will teach you how to get a permanent virtual number for entirely free and which application is best for it. So now TextPlus has 3 points, meanwhile Talkatone has 0 points. But if you're going to look at the free texting, free calling features, it's not going to be available in the TextPlus application. So in this section, Talkatone scores 1 over the TextPlus application. If we take a look at the errors while choosing our phone number, before I guess October, I do not I remember the exact date. I have posted and told it in my previous videos, but now I forgot the exact date. Before that time, we was able to acquire the virtual numbers entirely free. Okay, but nowadays we are not able to obtain the virtual numbers via the TextPlus application. It has few errors. Meanwhile, Talkatone also has few errors because of the update which I told you before. So I'm not gonna give points to any application in this comparison. If you're going to take a look at the users' opinions, it had 10 million plus downloads, while this has 50 million plus downloads. Out of 407k reviews in the Talkatone application, it had a rating of 4.3 stars. Out of 470k reviews, TextPlus application has a 3.7 star rating. So users, I obviously understand the difference in the installations. So obviously the review is gonna change. But right now, if you're going to consider it, Talkatone has a pretty much more user rating. So the point goes for the Talkatone application. Now, with the conclusion, Talkatone has 2 points, meanwhile TextPlus has 3 points. Now, my personal opinions and which application I'm going to suggest is going to decide the winner, right? So, according to me, I would choose TextPlus over Talkatone anytime. Well, if you ask for the reason, and I'm sorry, I would tell the reason why I chose TextPlus over Talkatone is that, well, I use social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram a lot. So obviously I am going to need an application, right? So the only application which I'm depending to make social media accounts right now, or previously not right now, was TextPlus. If I am just going to get the features of let's say free calling, unlimited free calling and unlimited free texting, I just choose text now over Talkatone anytime. So my opinion, according to me, the best application, in the comparison among these two applications, I would pick out obviously TextPlus. So guys, now as the final winner, the TextPlus application is the final winner. So guys, I hope this comparison was helpful to you. And if it was helpful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And I know I'm not posting videos regularly, and my videos quality is not that good. If you have any more suggestions, then please feel free to say it in the comment section. Like I told before, you're not yet subscribed to the channel, just go click on the subscribe button, the bell button near to subscribe button. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. It's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.